Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Resting Instinct. In this video I will be discussing about timeline view in Bruno. The timeline tab provides detailed insights into the request response. It includes crucial information such as the body, authentication details, variables, parameters, headers and other necessary data to inspect and validate the expected response. It also saves the request or response history and can view the detailed network logs. I am going straight into the demo. I have already opened Bruno. For this demo, I will be using the collection request. I have created a new request called timeline. This is a post HTTP method supported API. Here I have passed the payload in body tab. I am going to hit this request. We have got a 200 status code and this response. In the response section, you can see there is a timeline tab. I am clicking this timeline. So in this timeline tab, if you expand this particular request details, you can see there is a request tab inside this timeline. There is response tab, there is network logs, and also in each tab you can see the respective details. In the request tab you will be seeing the details of the request. So there will be headers used, the body which we have passed. In the response section you can see the response headers, the body, and there is an option to see the detailed network logs. So the network logs is captured in the network logs tab. You can see when the request was made, the endpoint, the header details, those details can be seen in this tab, and also we can see how the connection was established and the response time details. All details can be seen in the network logs. This will be helpful in case of debugging the API errors. So if you hit this request again, Bruno will be saving the history of these requests. So total I have hit this request 3 times. So you can see that based on time, Bruno has stored the details of the request 3 times. So if you want to see each request details, you can click on those respective entry. So this will be very useful in debugging the API issues. So this is one way through which Bruno will provide detailed information about the request, response and network logs. There is also an option to clear the timeline. If you want to remove this timeline, there is a clear timeline option. Just click on this option, it will be clearing the complete timeline. So this is how timeline tab gives useful information to the Bruno users. So I hope this session was very useful for everyone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.